call anybody. I didn't call anybody that please sign me, bro. So this thing of you guys seeking for people's approvals is bullshit. That is why your dreams will die, because you're waiting for coach to sign you. I'm not gonna sign you. Why should I sign you? Who signed me? Nobody signed me. You know, I started my own record label and I'm doing my own shit. So that is 124,000 on physical setup, right? On physical setup. Then there's softwares. Brendan can confirm the prices. Let me check my WhatsApp. I still have physical softwares installed on the PCs. That is the first one. It's okay, FL Studio. FL Studio, I didn't buy it. I don't know where they got it. FL Studio, I didn't buy it, but I bought two softwares, right? I bought two softwares so far. That is, number one, it's Complete 11, and Complete 13. So Complete 11 costs 13,000. Then you can add that plus 13,000, and then Complete. Sorry. Complete 13 costs 13,000. Complete 13 costs 13,000, and then Complete 11 costs 40,000. So that's like 40,000 plus 13,000. So those are the softwares that I've bought. So please add that. My calculators, where are you? Nagapiu, I have people who love me, Sham. So calculate for me, please. 40,000 plus 13,000. And then the total, you take it, you add it on top of the 124,000. And then that's how much I've spent so far. And I'm not telling you this so that you can say, this guy is bragging. I'm not going to get anything out of bragging to you. Not in a bad way. You know, I'm telling you that it's important to have your own money in life. It's very important. So you see, 177,000. That is how much I've spent so far. 177,000. And I'm still looking to do a proper soundproof. The soundproof that I've done here, it's the subwoofer still goes out, you know, and you know, neighbors, man, our neighbors here, it's Indians and shit, and as soon as they hear a little noise, they call the security. Then next thing, you get an email from the board of what association, and then next thing, they want to fine you for making noise, especially after like 10 p.m. you can't make noise. So Msindo RSA, to answer you, dog, make your own money and start your own shit, and stop looking to get signed by anybody. Stop looking to get assisted by anybody. Stop looking to get any recognition from anybody. I can only recognize you if I can see that we're gonna work together. I'm gonna benefit from you, and then you're gonna benefit from me. Not that I need to assist you so that you can make your dreams come true. For what? I'm not your father, bro. That is me being real right now. I'm not your father. Only your father can help you make your dreams come true. So for as long as I'm not your father, I'm not going to assist you. I don't want to lie to you. I can only assist you if I know that I'm going to benefit from you and you're going to benefit from me. So we benefit from one another. That's how it works, you know. Otherwise, I don't owe to assist you. So that's where you people get it wrong, that you put so much faith in getting recognition from people whom you think they've made it in life. And when we don't assist you, you start hating us and saying that we don't want to assist you or we are not humble. Bro, nobody helped me. Even today, nobody helped me. And it's so difficult for me in the music industry because I entered the industry with everything. So you can imagine how difficult it is, and it becomes difficult for me to work with people, you know, because when I enter the industry, already they know me, but they know me for trading things, you know, and you know how people feel about trading. They don't really like it per se because it's involved with scams and whatnot, of which is okay. It's okay for people not to understand it. But if it wasn't because of trading, I wouldn't have a studio which is worth 177,000 right now of equipment. I wouldn't be where I am today. So I don't regret doing what I have to do in order to make money, because Either way, none of these people that you'd ever seek approval from can ever help you with anything in life unless they see that you're on top, you know? So it's fucking difficult for me, but having access to money opens doors that people close. There are certain people who are going to close the doors. I know, I'm quite aware of that, mainly because they don't like me, because I'm arrogant from whatever they've heard, whatever they've seen, whatever they've read on social media and newspapers and whatnot. You know, so they are closing the doors, but I have money to open every door. You see the skill? I have money. They close all the doors with words, and then I open them with money. So I'm going to pass everything, every barrier that they put, I'm going to fucking open it with money. Because you can do whatever that you want to do, dog. But you can't stop me from making money. You can't stop me from making money. You can't stop me from having money. You can't. You see? So that's what keeps me going, dog. So if you are an upcoming artist, I tell you right now, stop. You can take a break from music. It will never expire. If it's inside you, it can never expire. Take a break from music. Go hustle. I don't care what you do. Whether you do robberies, whether you do heists, whether you do, I don't know, whether you open a church, whatever that you fucking do, that's on you. You are responsible for your own life. But once you start making money, come back to the industry. You'll understand that it's actually nice knowing very well that you can't have access to something because people don't like you, and then you just take out money and do like this, and you open all the doors which are closed. You know the change it, papa. I want to bagaye so supporty. Let me tell you a secret about the music industry. You don't need artists to love you in the industry. You don't need other artists to love you. You don't need them at all. The only people you need, it's fans. People who support you. People who follow you for who you are. Those are the only people you need. The rest can go to hell, man. You don't need anybody's approval, any artist's approval. You don't need that shit, dog. You just need people who are going to support you. Because every artist that is big enough in this country today is big enough because of people. Regardless of the ego that they might have, but they are big because of people. So the trick is not to have them on your side, but have people on your side. Once people love you, one way or the other, they will still hear about you. You know what I'm saying? They will still hear about you. Trust me, no matter what, they will still hear about you. They tell themselves that, you know what, we don't like this guy. This guy, we don't like him for who he is and what he does. But when they move on the streets, because people love you, they will still hear about you. People will sing Skomoris Komota. Why? Because people got your back. That's what you need. People. Then that's it. You know? So I hope I've explained properly. I hope I've explained properly.